Yo, what's going on, my YouTube community? John Beard here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, this is a job recap I did over the weekend here in Tampa, Florida. If you guys are in Florida or you're in a pressure washing company, smash that like button, leave a comment down below, the name of your company, where you guys are located. Would love to hear from all of you guys. So here, we're doing a very dirty gutter cleaning tool. So I have my gutter cleaning tool here and we're just putting it to work. These gutters were slam packed. We're also doing a house wash. So I washed the entire house of mold, mildew. In the mix, we use a chlorine-based mix along with a little bit of surfactant. So this case, all I did was use the 12.5%. This solution can be found anywhere. It is a bleach pool shock. It is used to remove all the mold and mildew. And you guys can see here, look at those gutters, man. Those things are shining, looking absolutely amazing. When I do a gutter cleaning, I tell the customer straight up, everything that comes out of your gutters is going to fall into the floors. I'm not responsible. They say, okay, that's fine. Me being the nice person I am, I did clean up, that front little concrete patch, as you guys see there. But I want everything to look good for the customer, make sure they're happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe. Have a great day.